Ka Emily Batmai jong ka Gambegre constituency ka metap chandi ajitok sangma ka badairu kalok jong Myntri Rangbah ka jala kunrat ki sangma hne ka sngi kala pawi ka jing snokmen ba kala yo ban shong ha ka ni ka dorbar ka ban nyngkong hadien bakala syajit kum ka Emily na Gambegre constituency. Habakren bet kinong thok bor na kalyang choka metap kalaong bakani kadai kaburam ka bakraw hakaba maka kalayo ban mikmat kum kalong kemi sya kani kaying dorbar thawan kalaong ru bakadon kejingkermen bakani simbenta bat I man sim yi kwei pat kilong kemi ru bakin rung sya ka kam politics kum ban spin kan mau ka metap kala syajit kum ka MLE jong ka Gambegre constituency hadin ba UMLE nak seng kongres usaleng isangma ula syajit no kum member jong ka parliament halok sabha but hadin ba ula resign na kaliang jong ka election commission kala penlong ya ka election but kipat ba jong ka Gambegre constituency kala jit ya ka metap chandi ajitok sangma kum ka MLE batma jong ki.
Yeah, I feel good. I think it's a privilege and an honor to be representing my constituency and be here today.
The strength of women in 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has increased with your inclusion.
Yes.
So, how do you feel, and what are the positive steps do you think you can take in this regard?
Well, we have seen that women representation in politics has been always very less. Yeah, and I feel very honored here today, being a woman and being in this house, in this August house. And I hope that with my presence here, more and more women will be encouraged to join politics.
Now you are in the ruling. Will you be raising the issues concerning the constituency, the state?
This time I think I have a lot to learn. Still see the proceedings and how the house runs. So I think I will be observing and maybe next time for sure.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.